And now we will start with direction sense test, the real type of questions. Okay, so when I talk about the real type of questions, I told you and I made you write one thing, that was your north is always your screen, the back of your screen is your south, that's the opposite. The right hand side, your right hand is considered as the east and your left hand is considered as the west, right? This was something we did. Now we are going to talk about a very serious thing. Serious in the sense that, see, there are two ways how you can do a direction sense question in an exam. One way is take your hands and move like this, like a person is moving in the north, he takes a right turn and then takes a left turn like this. But this is practically not possible in the exam, right? You can't stand and do all of these things in the exam and people will start laughing at you. So that's why we will do it on a piece of paper and we will learn how to make turns and how to, understand that where are we moving. So just keep in mind the first information is that, see, you are in standard 3 and 4, so they will not give you questions on they are taking a 45-degree turn or they are taking a 90-degree turn or they are taking a 180-degree turn. They will just give you a simple word, that is right turn. So whenever they say right turn, you have to automatically understand that right turn is equals to what? Right turn is equals to 90-degree clockwise turn. All the right turns are equals to 90-degree clockwise turn. How will we understand this? Have a look on the screen. Suppose I have made a person who is standing in the north, okay, facing the north. So I'm just denoting that person with a circle. The person is facing the north and person is right there. He is taking a right turn, guys. So right turn, 90-degree turns always mean a L. Okay, 90-degree turns means a L like this. Okay, so you tell me what is a 90-degree turn from north? Viona, very nice. Others, you all tell me. Swarnim, very, very good. I'll just turn the chat box to myself. Very good, Shankar, Vivan. Vivan, not northeast, it will just be east. Good, Amoka. Aditya, Krishan, Kirtana, that's right. See, why northeast? Why it's not northeast? Because when they do not mention any turn, you have to understand that they are talking about a 90-degree turn. All right. So 90-degree directly brings you here. See, this is for future. Very good, Sanchi. This is for future. You just need to remember a little bit that, because I repeat, in the future, you will get questions that someone is standing in the north and taking a 45-degree turn. Then your answer will be northeast. Someone is taking a 50-degree turn. Then your answer is northeast. But since you will not get questions like that right now, so just remember, only right turn means what? Only right turn means 90-degree clockwise. Similarly, point number 2. Point number 2 is left turn. So just the left turn will be equals to 90-degree anti-clockwise turn. Anti-clockwise turn. Now I'm going to make a twist in the question. My person is standing in the south. My person is facing the south. And that person is taking a anti-clockwise 90-degree turn. That is a left turn. Where will we reach, guys? If I'm facing at the back, south, and I'm taking a left turn, where will I go? Very good, Shivin. Aditya, check. Jian, very good. Okay, Vivan, check. Swarnim, very good. Shankar, 90 degrees. So it's not southwest or something. It's just one of the 4 cardinal directions. No, Amoka, check. Aditya, correct. I repeat, okay. This is south. So what is my clockwise turn? This is my clockwise turn. and this one is my anti-clockwise turn. So left turn is equals to anti-clockwise turn, guys. From the south, if I take a left turn, will I come on east? Yeah, I will come in east. So this is just a bit, this is the only part of the class I can tell you. If you understand this, you can understand all the questions. So do it once again with me. No problem in doing it all over again. Okay. I'll just use my whiteboard. I'm using this. My person is standing in the north. This is north, east, south, west. My person is standing in the north. Now my question is left turn. Left turn will bring you to what direction? Left turn means anti-clockwise. Very good, Swarnim. Others, Shiven, perfect. 2 correct answers. Others, Kirtana, left turn. Aditya, left turn. Left is anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. Shankar, what did I say? Left turn means a 90-degree turn, Shankar. So if your person is in the north, the 90-degree turn brings you to west. Okay? West is the answer, guys. Left turn, anti-clockwise turn. Doreen, it's anti-clockwise, left. Viona, correct. Oh, you were writing one by one in all. Okay. Though I don't think it's Doreen. It's his brother, like your brother, right? Doreen, you can ask him to rename. Okay. Vanya, that's right. Krishan, no, it's not northwest. It's a direct 90 degrees. So it brings you to west directly, Krishan, not somewhere in the middle. Somewhere in the middle is called as this. Okay. This is just west. Now, one more question. Quick, quick, quick. See, this is the most essential part. If you practice this, it's more than enough. My person is in the east. My person is facing towards the east. And my person is taking a right turn. Where will my person face now? Right turn is always equals to clockwise turn. Let me check. Shiven, Swarnim, correct? Krishan's right turn means 90-degree right turn. Yes, Viona, coming. Vivan, no, that's left turn. Sachi, correct. Say, Viona.
Ma'am, do we have to write this?
If you want, yes. Otherwise, you can just understand this, Viona. It will be there in your worksheets. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You'd better understand it. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Athar, yes, you came.
Ma'am, ma'am. In that,
yes,
is that right turn or left turn?
This one is right turn. Right turn.
Okay, ma'am.
Right means clockwise turn. So clockwise turns are moving like this.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Say, Athar.
Ma'am, I joined just
now.
That's why what is the topic?
Direction sense test, Athar.
Okay.
Okay, so everyone is with their correct answer. It's south. So right turn from east brings you to south. Very, very good. Okay. And one last question and then we will wind up. Okay. One last question is from the west. So your person is facing the west. And listen carefully. Listen very carefully. The person is taking 2 right turns. The person is taking 2 right turns. Where will the person stop? Very good, Swarnim. Very good, Shiven. Jian, that's one turn. Ronak, correct. Sanchi, correct. Amuka, that's 1 right turn. Aditya, Ayush, correct. Krishan, west will not stop in west after 2 turns. Every time you will come back to your original position after 4 right turns. Meera, Leelakant, correct. Shankar, that's 1 right turn. 1 right turn will bring you to the north. Another right turn. Very good, Vanya. Yes, Vivan, that's right. Amoka, correct. So 1 right turn, Shankar, correct, is bringing you to the north, and another right turn is bringing you to the east. So remember, now this is a very good fun fact, okay? Whenever you take 2 right turns or you take 2 left turns, you always reach the same place. Check it. If you take 2 right turns or if you take 2 left turns, you always, yes, Aditya, you're always reaching the same place. That is the opposite direction. So 2 right turns or 2 left turns is nothing but 90 degree plus 90 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. And 180 degree always means the opposite direction. Okay. So if you're taking 2 right turns from any position, that will take you to the opposite position, no matter you're traveling clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. Athar, is your doubt clear? Can I unraise your hand or do you have a doubt? Okay, unraise. All right, I have done that. Okay, now we will be moving to a real-time question. And before that, give me 1 minute. I just need to put my pen size to maximum because I'm going to scribble now. So I am scribbling. Why? Because I don't want you to see the picture of this. Okay. So I want you to solve this question without watching this picture given on the right hand side. You make the picture yourself. You make the picture yourself. Make a center. All right. And after making a center, you can make the drawing accordingly. This center is nothing but the crossing. Okay, guys. This center is the crossing. And there are 4 places. Read it and get the answer. Shivain has come up with an answer. We don't know whether it is right or wrong. We know one thing from the second sentence, that home is in the east. So Ravi is coming from the home towards the crossing. That means the center point. From the crossing, the road to the left is taking you to the theater and the straight road is taking you to the hospital. So if you move straight from the home, that takes you to the opposite direction of east. So where is the hospital, guys? Where is the hospital? Which direction? North, south, west? Okay, Swarnim, very good. Others, where is the hospital? Perfect, Jian. Very good, Ayush. Straight ahead. No, 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 Krishant, no, Vivan. Vanya, correct. Vanya, it's right. Okay. Shankar, it's right. So if you're moving from the east and you're moving straight ahead, that means just like this. Yes, no Kirtana, no Viona. Straight ahead means straight ahead from the east. The person is starting to walk from the east and going straight ahead. So if he goes straight ahead, he lands up on the west, and west is my hospital. West is my hospital. Now they say that the left turn from the road or from the crossing is equals to the theater. So if you are here, which is your left turn and which is your right turn? You are facing in this direction, guys. From this direction, this one is my right turn and this one is my left turn. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. So left turn is taking you where? Left turn is taking you to the theater. That's south. So what is the only place left for the university? Which is the only direction left for the university? Vanya, comment. That's not. Say Vanya.
Ma'am, not.
Perfect. That's the right answer. Okay, so let's reveal the answer from here. Is our answer correct? Yes, it is correct. University lies in the north. Option A. Sanchi, tell me. Then I'll go to Meera.
Teacher, can you explain me again?
Yes, why not? But for that, I'll have to draw again. So I'm using the same drawing on the picture right now, Sanchi. Sanchi, it says that Ravi wants to go to the university, but it's nothing mentioned where is Ravi right now. The second line says that he starts from his home, which is in the east. So if I make a map like this, then this is my east, right? The right hand side, Sachi. So they have directly mentioned that the home is in the east and he is starting to walk from his home. So where is he facing right now? He is facing in this direction because he is walking from his home. Then he comes to a crossing. So the crossing is the middle point here, Sachi. From the crossing, if he continues to move straight, which direction will he reach?
West.
West. And moving straight takes him to the hospital. That means the west is having the hospital here. Right?
Yes.
And from the crossing, if he takes a left turn, now see, if you are facing towards the east, Sachi, okay, if you are facing like this, your right hand is going to the screen and your left hand is going at the back. So anything towards the screen means north. So this is my right turn. And this is my left turn, which is taking me to the south. Right, Sachi? And they are saying that left turn is theater. So that means south is theater. So now we are left with only one location, that is north for the university. So that means university is in the north.
Okay.
Okay, Sachi? Thank you. All right, everyone clear with this? Now we'll move. Okay, Viona has a question. Say, Viona.
Ma'am, I am
Say, Viona.
writing
You are writing what?
this.
No need, Viona. You will get all of this in the reading material, okay? So you need not copy this down. You will get the questions with the answers in the reading material. Just use your notebook to yourself solve it. Like when I give a question, everyone should draw this and solve, right? So use your notebook only for that. Do not copy the questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, you will get in the answer key, you will get the questions written in this manner. So these answers will be there. Don't worry. Okay. Whose Galaxy Tab S6? Unmute yourself. I can hear you now. Was it? Okay, I think he's having some issues. Let him fix that. And Viona, I'm muting you. And guys, I'm lowering your hand. Now, what we are going to learn about the shadows. Okay. So we just need to have two things into consideration. Yes, dear. What's your name? Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shivansh, your device name is coming as Galaxy. So that's why I asked it. Say, Shivansh, what happened? I'm changing it. Say.
I joined the class late, so I couldn't understand this.
Oh, but then that is okay, fine. Don't join late. You're 20 minutes late, Shivansh. Anyways, we are now talking about the shadows part. So you can learn it from here. Okay. And then if you find any problem doing any question, I'll repeat over there. Okay, Shivansh?
Okay. Okay.
All right. So fine. Everyone, focus. So this is the person. Now we are going to deal with only three positions of sun. Position number 1 is the position where it rises. So sun rises in which direction? East. Sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. All right. All the suns in the position of east are considered in the timings like morning, sunrise, like that. So in the question, if it is mentioned that Ravi is walking during sunrise or Ravi is walking during the morning, that then you understand automatically that we are talking about the sun being in the east. Similarly, if the words are given like Ravi is walking in the evening or Ravi is walking during the sunset, then we understand that we are talking about the sun being in the west. There is no northeast and northwest or southeast or southwest during the sun questions. Okay. And one more final position of the sun is during the noon when there is no shadow. So during the noon, the shadow falls just below your legs and that's why you can't see it. So this is one condition of noon. Okay. At noon when no shadow is formed, but you will not get any question on this. So don't worry about that. Moving next, we have questions related to it. So there is a principle. Okay, I'm writing this principle. Shadow always, you can note this down, guys. Shadow always falls in the opposite direction of the sun. You can take a screenshot of this or you can note it down, okay, in your notebook. Shadow always falls in the opposite direction of the sun. That means if I'm talking about the sun being in the east, and how will I get a question? The question will say that Ravi is walking in the morning or Ravi is walking in the sunrise. So that time we automatically understand that the position of the sun is in the east. Then the shadow needs to be in the opposite direction of east. And what is the opposite direction of east, guys? Opposite direction of east is west. Correct. So if we are talking about the sun being in the east, the shadow will always be in the west. Okay. And when the sun is in the west, the shadow will always be in the east. Just the opposite. That's all you need to note down related to shadows. So if you have done that, type a done in the chat box. I'll wait for 17 dones and then I will move ahead with the questions. Swarnim has completed it. 16 more. Shivain has completed it. 15 more. Neelakan done. Shankar done. Amoka, Ronak done. Oh, how many dones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kirtana and Ayush also. 9 are there. Okay. Then 8 more. Shivansh done. 7 more. This is just the primary principle of the shadows. And if you're able to understand this, you can do this question real time easy. Okay, 7 more dones are, I'm waiting for 7 more people. Aditya, Jian, Vanya, Vivan, Viona. If you have completed, please write it down in the chat. Meera done. Okay, 6 more. Come on, guys, I won't. Yes, Krishan. All right. Fine. Viona, say what happened. Aditya, I'm waiting for your answer. Jian.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I can't see the third word you've given
False.
correctly. No. Shadow always is it sticks.
Shadow always falls. Falls.
Okay.
FALLS.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And no one else? Okay. So suppose I give you a question, Vanya, done. Suppose I give you a question where I say that let's take the last name, Vanya only. Vanya is walking in the east direction. Okay. So no, she might be walking in any direction. But if it is the morning time, then in which direction is her shadow falling? Very good, Meera Swarnim. Vanya is walking during the morning. So in which direction is the shadow falling? Everyone is correct except Vivan. Vivan, she is already walking in the morning. Sun is in the east. So how can the shadow also fall in the east? Yes, done Jian, done Aditya. Okay, Viona, I'm just waiting for you. Shankar, correct, right? That's west. So if the sun is in the east, yes, Kirtana, the other one needs to be the west. The shadow needs to be the west. Viona, are you done? Okay, thumbs up. All right. Now we'll have a question related to it. This is Suresh. Suresh is moving towards the sun. Find the direction in which the shadow of Suresh was falling. Read the keywords. Very good. First correct answer, Vivan. This time Vivan went quick. Shiven, Kirtana, very good. Vanya, very good. Rishant, check. Jian, very good. Shankar, right. Amoka, Sachi, correct. Viona, check again. It's the morning time, Viona. Morning means sun is in the east. The shadow is always fall in the opposite direction. Meera, correct. Krishant, wrong. Leelakant, that's right. Swarnim, correct. There are two keywords here, morning and sunrise. No, Aditya, morning and sunrise in itself means the sun is in the east. And we know the principle that shadow will always fall in the direction opposite to the sun. So if the sun is in the east, of course, the shadow will go in the opposite direction, that is west. Yes, everyone, right, correct answer now. So the west will be the right answer. Okay, west will be the right answer of this question.